After 12 months of virtual activities, we've been thinking about bringing all the HackaDev incubatees together for a physical event to improve their networking, and we've been finally able to do that. And throughout these 2 days, we've been having a lot of activities in terms of developing their business and also in terms of developing their entrepreneur skills as well as their personal development. And I hope that these 2 days will help them in the journey forward.
Hi, I am Hassan from Study Buddy Zone. අපේ school students ලට එයාලගේ education එක motivate කරන්න games develop කරන startup එකක්. අපි HackaDev UNDP program එකට register වෙලා දැනට අවුරුද්දක් විතර වෙනවා. මේ අවුරුද්ද තුලදී අපි ආවිල්ලා ගොඩාක් දේවල් ඉගෙන ගත්තා HackaDev team එකත් එක්ක. අපිට තිබිච්ච ලොකුම problem එකක් තමයි අපේ business plan එක. ඒක හදාගන්න අපිට ලොකු උදව්වක් වුණා HackaDev team එක. අපිට තිබිච්ච ගොඩාක් වැරදි දේවල් අපිට නිවැරදි කරගන්න පුළුවන් වුණා HackaDev එක through. So මම ඇවිල්ලා HackaDev and UNDP එකට thankful වෙනවා අපිට මේ වගේ ලොකු support එකක් දුන්නට. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hasindri and I'm here at the HackaDev outbound training camp. My experience here has been amazing. I never expected it to be this cleanly planned. The people, the place and the food, everything is just awesome. The activities that I got to do here, the adventurous ones in water, in jungle, it was all just so amazing. And also the energy coming from the crew is also, it's beyond a level that I never imagined. I'm pretty sure they are doing these kind of programs to many people, but every time we go out there, they're as excited as we are and they are just too kind. So it felt amazing to be around good people, and it's my first time at a camp for 3 days without my family.
Hello everyone, I'm Aninilavan Purnesan from Mullaitivu district. I have selected for the UNDP HackaDev program of 2021. So the Square Hub is currently incubating as a program. Today I'm at this incubation program in the camping site. This is the first time I'm experiencing such kind of boot camp with the leadership skills development as well as the same kind of business incubations. This is being a unique experience that I had ever in my life, and also it's triggering my emotions and triggering my creative thinking and innovations towards my business path. I hope that I can accomplish my goals and dreams together with this kind of beautiful people who are supporting us and great mentors who are supporting us.
Hi everyone, I'm Malisha from the team Performance. So first of all, I would like to thank the entire UNDP team and the Square Hub team for arranging this training session for us. It was a great experience. I'm sure that you won't miss your home with all the great food and the awesome atmosphere and all the training sessions. Especially being here gave us a lot of business perspective for us to strive and grow forward in our business. Thank you so much for giving us this beautiful opportunity to come and experience this.